Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VNCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, but after today's price action, definitely a lot of updates here need to be made. So let's first start with mapping out some of these newest areas of support. And one of the newer areas of support is going to be right here at the 72 cent mark, and this is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if the price can continue to hold above 72 cents going forward, that would definitely be best case scenario. Now, if the price falls below it, it's not like everything's ruined or anything like that, but from a power perspective, if you will, staying above it would definitely be the biggest sign of power on the bull's part. Next area of support after that, down there at the 64 cent mark, and then taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there. That being the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line's just going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. So from a very simplistic point of view, in terms of how do you gauge the health of the overall move, simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward, as the sellers right now have made themselves pretty known up there right around the 85 cent mark. You can see quite clearly that there's a big batch of price congestion right up there at that area at 85 cents. So 85 cents, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But really, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases and building those higher lows, case in point, just right here, nice big move up, build a higher base, and you can see the results of that. So same principle here. Even if it does pull back a little bit more, at the end of the day, as long as it's building those higher bases, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So nice way to start off the week. It'll be interesting to see how much more the bulls can build upon this momentum. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.